Now we're moving straight into the third descriptive statement inside competency number 7, which states the beginning teacher selects and uses instructional strategies, materials, and hands-on activities for developing graphomotor skills necessary for writing according to grade level expectations in the TExES Essential Knowledge and Skills for grades 4 through 6. Now, broken down, what this means is that we need to make sure we understand how to choose teaching methods and materials to help our 4th, 5th, and 6th graders improve their handwriting and written skills as per the TExES Essential Knowledge and Skills guidelines. Let's make sure you are fully prepped for test day and jump into this lesson now. To begin, let's acknowledge that developing graphomotor skills, which relates to the fine motor movements needed in handwriting, is essential for grades 4 through 6. To begin, let's acknowledge that developing graphomotor skills, which relate to the fine motor movements needed for handwriting, is essential for our students in grades 4 through 6. So let's have a look at how to select instructional strategies, materials, and activities for our students. Start by evaluating your students' needs. Before selecting strategies, evaluate your students' current abilities. Some students may still be struggling with the basics, while others may need advanced techniques. Your exam will pose questions around these topics, so ensure that the answer that you select always takes into account a diverse set of learners, including students with disabilities or different learning preferences. Follow these general yet essential guidelines when designing instructional strategies. First, explicit instruction. Clearly explain and model how to form letters, use correct spacing, and apply adequate pressure. Use demonstrations on whiteboards or document cameras. Next, let's make sure your instruction uses guided practice. After introducing a concept, guide students in practicing it. Gradually release responsibility as they gain confidence, which, as we can recall from our past lessons, this is called the gradual release of responsibility, which is transitioning the responsibility of learning from the teacher to the students over time. And this happens when the teacher models the correct way to directly complete the task at hand. Then the teacher invites the students to help the teacher complete the next task. And then finally, the teacher releases the responsibility of demonstrating the understanding of the skill being taught to the students. Next, we always want to make sure to provide feedback to our students. Regularly review students' handwriting, offer specific and constructive feedback to them. Next, we can also use peer review. This encourages students to review each other's work and allows them to learn from each other. Finally, try to incorporate technology. Utilize apps or software that provide handwriting practice or tutorials. All right, great. Let's keep those instructional strategies in mind for test day. Now, let's jump to the materials for developing graphomotor skills for our students. We can keep this simple. Think pencils and pens. Use ones with grips to help students with their ability to hold the pen or pencil. Some prefer mechanical pencils as they provide consistent lines. Next material is paper. Remember, use lined paper for guidance. Consider raised line paper for tactile feedback. Next, we have workbooks. Choose grade level handwriting workbooks to provide structured practice. Then we have our whiteboards. These allow for easy correction and can be fun for students. Letter formation cards are where the student shows the correct formation of letters and numbers on a card. Now, to exceed on exam day, you'll have to be knowledgeable at choosing and applying the right tools and materials to support students' handwriting abilities. Thank you very much for watching this section. Need to pass your TExES core subjects exam? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter, better, with everything you need all in one place, so you ace your exam and become a certified teacher with teacherpreps.com.